Actually, we had two places, so this place and then another place like pretty close as well, so excited.
I suppose there's ways to install fixtures that will look nice and won't just look cluttered to it. Do you have a chiropractic practice right now?
Yep, yeah, it's almost, I want to. Yeah. Oh, great. Thanks for taking the time to meet us here.
Yeah, no problem.
Appreciate it.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
All right, I'll get that email.
Awesome. Thanks, Leanne.
Yep, see ya. All right, so my sister is back. We're gonna get her adjusted to make sure her low back is doing all right. So I can't do like a whole lot of like psoas release on her because she's so freaking ticklish. I can't even touch her, but her hip flexors are very tight, glutes are very tight. So typically I would release them on certain clients that need that, but for her it's like you can't touch her. So we're just gonna get her adjusted. Wow, you actually do feel pretty good. Moving pretty well. A little stuff there. So when I do this, I'm basically just checking for hip motion. And so on this side, her hip motion is not nearly as good as this side, but that's because her sacrum is kind of hindering it, especially her internal rotation here. Through there too. Okay. On your side. Let's lay on this side first. That was a lot. Feel that one. Stay right, stay. On the side for So she always gets locked up at her CT, which is like the junction between base of your neck and where your thoracic vertebrae start. Which a lot of people that lift, a lot of people just in general with this forward posture get locked up at. Today she feels okay. Just want to get a little movement there. That's so much better than before. Moving. All right, buddy. Woo! Okay, so we're gonna get a workout in. I might show a few clips actually. She's gonna do legs. I didn't eat legs yesterday, so maybe I'll do a few movements. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, let's get to it.
You looking at a savage from for cover. Run for cover. Run for cover. Run for cover. Run for cover. You looking at a savage. Run for cover.